Hello folks, today I've been asked to come out here to inspect a foundation issue that the builder had created. The owners or the buyers of this new home are just really concerned about what they're seeing. So they asked me to come out here to take a look at this. So what I wanted to share with you is, I want you to look at this plate here. This is what they're looking at, one of the things. So this foundation, look, as you can see, this is literally dropping. And I know you can't really see it in the video here, but it's dropping over an inch. So, I mean, our our foundation is literally not even beginning to be framed or formed in right, our level. Now, what's going to cause this is going to be a great problem when you get ready to frame this in. So they're going to have to come back in and do a lot of extra work. But look here, you can see that. Now, see how this foundation goes right up through there? Now, this is for the front porch. This is your frost wall, okay, that's all great, but look how it's dropped right there. So if that's just literally going to be, if that porch slab doesn't actually get to sit on that properly, there's a void in there, and we will be back to look at it. That's going to create another problem. So we got a lot of problems with this foundation. Oh my stars, it only get, oh my stars, look at this, folks. I mean, we're talking crazyville here now. So look at this foundation over here. Come look at this. Oh, you got to see this. This is it. See this right here? You can see it. I mean, it looks like you could make a teeter-totter out of that thing. Folks, this is some horrible workmanship. This is, they can correct it. But it's going to, the framers are not going to be happy. Anyway, folks, this is why you want to hire a construction inspection like what we do right here. So as this kind of stuff will not be tolerated. You know, I wish they would have called us before they started pouring the concrete. Wow. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Hopefully you get what you paid for. The job's being done right and you're not getting ripped off. And these folks right now, they're in a bad way. Thank you folks for watching. And we will be writing a report and getting this taken care of for these folks ASAP. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.